Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. Today, we are reviewing the REDTIGER F7N Touch dash camera, a premium dual dash cam that combines 4K Ultra HD front recording and 1080p rear recording for crystal clear video quality. If you are looking for a reliable dash cam with advanced features, this model is an excellent choice. The REDTIGER F7N captures every detail on the road, including street signs and license plates, thanks to its wide-angle lens and high-resolution sensors. This means fewer blind spots and better coverage for your safety. One of the standout features is the built-in GPS and Wi-Fi connectivity. With the REDTIGER app, you can easily track your vehicle's location, routes, and speed. You can also connect your smartphone to view, download, and share videos wirelessly, making file management simple and convenient. Night driving is no problem for this dash cam. Equipped with a Starvis 2 IMX675 sensor, a large f/1.5 aperture, and WDR and HDR technology, the F7N delivers exceptional night vision performance. Even in low-light conditions, your footage will remain sharp and clear. For added security, the REDTIGER F7N includes a 24-hour parking monitor. When the built-in G-sensor detects a collision, it automatically records and locks a 15-second video clip. With the optional hardwire kit, you can enable time-lapse recording to monitor your car continuously, even when parked. Other features include loop recording, emergency video lock, and a touchscreen interface for easy operation. The design is sleek and modern, making it a perfect fit for any vehicle. In summary, the REDTIGER F7N Touch dash cam offers 4K Ultra HD recording, GPS tracking, Wi-Fi connectivity, and superior night vision in one powerful package. If you want a high-quality dash cam that keeps you protected day and night, this is a great option. If you found this review helpful, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and check the link in the description for more details. Thank you for watching.